Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am filming on location, but I had to do this because, hey, FabFitFun Fall 2026 add-ons just dropped. So I wanted to share with you guys what's currently in my cart and my recommendations, as I always do. As you can see, I am not at home. I am actually finishing up my trip to Europe, our little summer vacation, and we are currently staying in London. It's been a blast. We're headed out really soon though, but before I head out, I wanted to film this video and get it up so that I can share with you guys what I have picked out for fall FabFitFun 2026. So you're gonna check out what I picked up. Definitely keep watching. So if you are new to FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription service and the only subscription service I'm currently a part of. I've been a part of FabFitFun for many years, well over 5 years, likely even longer. And I really just love getting full-size products that are seasonally appropriate every season shipped directly to me. Again, I'm in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. I just really love the subscription service. And add-ons are a way for you to add extra items at really heavily discounted prices. Some of the items are from previous seasonal boxes, so I can pick up restocks of my favorites, but I also can try things that I didn't try in previous seasons as well. And they also offer new things too with the add-on sale. So whenever you pick out things in the add-on sale, it gets automatically billed to you. That's my one bit of warning to you guys with all of my add-ons videos is whatever is in your cart at the time that your sale windows closes will get automatically billed to you. So make sure you pay attention to the sales dates and when you are open to shop. And I will leave all of those dates listed in the description box down below for your reference. If you pick out things in the add-on sale, get them built to you. They will be shipped along with your seasonal box with no extra shipping charge, at least in the continental US. It's a great way to add on a couple of extra little favorite products. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move a little bit to the side here because I wanna share with you here the items that I currently have in my cart. And again, I try to rein it in a little bit and not go too crazy, but I did find some really great staples and some really fun things that I wanted to try out. So at least as of now, this is what is currently in my add-ons cart. So just starting off with a bang, this is an item that I currently have here in London with me as I'm traveling in the bathroom there. I probably should have grabbed it, but hey, I probably don't need to. This is what it looks like. So this is the First Aid Beauty Anti-Chafe Stick with shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. They offer this in a previous seasonal box and I'd heard about it and almost picked it up at Sephora before I saw that it was added, I think last season. So I love this stuff. I've been using it pretty much every day that I walk around here and it helps prevent chafing, especially on your thigh area. Especially if you're wearing shorts or dresses. It's been amazing. My husband even uses it, so definitely recommend. I'm gonna 100% restock on this. I think this is a pretty good value, so this is probably my most highly recommended product in the add-on sale this season. Next up, I have a set of shampoo and conditioner from Briogeo. Briogeo is a really great hair care line, and I've tried many other products before, and I really wanted to try the Superfoods line. I think they also made a banana and mango or banana and coconut one, which I had my eye on. But this add-on season, they're offering the matcha and apple, so I think I would love that scent. So I think I'm going to give this one a try as well. It's a really good discount, as you can see here. So I picked up the shampoo and the conditioner. I also added to my cart this Nest New York Sicilian Tangerine Liquid Soap. So I love Nest scents. I love a lot of home scents. I also, of course, love Diptyque. I love Jo Malone. Those are the ones that I tend to have in my home almost at all times. And I particularly love their reed diffusers across all these lines. But Nest is one of those. And as I've talked about before on my videos, the Nest holiday scent is my all-time favorite holiday scent from any line, hands down. So I stockpile it. I have a ton of it ready to go for this upcoming holiday season. But I wanted to try their hand soaps, which I don't think I've tried before, and I love tangerine. So I think I'm going to try this for a guest bathroom. I think it's always nice to have a little bit of a little higher end, nicer soap, you know, for guests. So I think I'm going to pick this up. They had other great scents, so let me know if you've tried other scents and think I should pick them up. I saw the Amalfi Lemon and Mint. I'm not a huge mint fan, so that's why I put that one back, but let me know if you tried it and like it. And then they also have the bamboo scent, which I currently have as a reed diffuser in our living room. I do like that scent. I don't know if I'll like it as a hand soap though. So that's why I don't have it here, but let me know if you like it and I can definitely easily be convinced to add other scents as well. All right, next up I have this Kosas eyeliner. So as I've talked about before, I use eyeliner every day. I tend to use a black on my top lid, and I've tried many different. I have several favorites. But I like to have kind of like a taupey or brown color, or just to highlight a little bit of the lower lid. I don't go crazy with the lower lid line, but I do like a little bit of a line on the lower lid. So I thought this color would be perfect. It's called Depth, and it's this little like brown color, as you can see here. I thought this was a great value, so I am almost for sure going to pick this up. And then it wouldn't be a FabFitFun video if I didn't talk about nail polishes. As you guys know, I always restock every season, and London Town is my favorite line that they offer. So right now I have in my cart this DIY Mani Essentials bundle. So this includes items that I don't have. So they have an instant smudge fix. So I think if you mess up your nail, you can redo it and add this on top, and it'll kind of blur the smudge a little bit. So I thought that was interesting. There's an accelerating drying oil, which I can always use, but have not tried. Look at that little adorable nail file. It has little hearts on it, so it's hard to pass that up. And then I really love this nail blush color. I think they called it Poppy. I don't think I have anything quite that shade, so I thought it would be pretty, especially as we are still into late summer, early fall. I think this color would be perfect. So I really, really like this little kit. And then I wanted to try out this other line. I've tried their nail polishes before, and I think they're good. I just don't remember it very well. But I mostly picked this up because the color, that really light minty color, I think is just really pretty. And I don't think I have something like that now. So I also added this particular nail polish. And then I just have a couple more items. One is a little bit of a splurge item that I don't know if I'm actually going to go for, but I just really like the look of it. And it's this really pretty turquoise, I think they're probably real turquoise, beaded charm necklace, as you can see here. The stacked beaded look, as you know, is super popular and trendy these days. So I really like that look. I normally wear a lot of necklaces. I don't have a lot of jewelry on now because I'm traveling. But when I'm home, I like to stack my 18 karat gold necklaces, so I wear those pretty much every day. So on top of that, now and again, I think it's nice to add a little bit of extra texture or color, and I think this one may be perfect. So I have my eye on this one. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's an 18-inch length too, which will be pretty good as well. So I don't know much about this brand though, Liada. If any of you are familiar with this line, let me know what you think about the quality and if you think I should go for it. But I think this is really, really pretty. And then I just have one final item here, and this is a little bit of a spoiler alert because I know my mom occasionally watches my videos, so she will see this. But this I have my eye on for her dog. So her dog's a little dog, and actually my mom and dad's dog. I shouldn't just say my mom's dog. It's actually mostly my dad's dog. But the favorite toy for their dog is this little lamb chop, which I think they just get on Amazon or somewhere. But this is a little rainbow version. So I thought this was really cute, and this is their dog's favorite type of toy. So I might pick this up. I just really hard to pass up. I think it's super cute, this little lamb chop toy. All right, guys, so I think that does it, honestly. There's not a lot here because I'm really trying to pare down a little bit. I think overall the add-on sales were pretty solid. As you can see, most of my selections here are kind of just stock-ups of items that I really know and love, but they have a lot of other fun things. I saw a lot of good homeware. I saw some really nice Lily Pulitzer items that I originally put in my cart but decided to put back because I probably don't need more pouches and notebooks. But if you're into Lily, there's some really nice things. I saw some really pretty sunglasses as well, and I love sunglasses, so those also are highlights. And then they have a lot of makeup and beauty products, of course. I saw a lot of Mario Badescu, and that's a really great brand. I just didn't add anything because I have a lot of the facial sprays, but the facial sprays and their pack-up sets of those I think are really great options, and I would obviously highly recommend those as well. All right, guys, so there you have it. Be sure to check the description box below if you want to know the actual sale dates, but at least for the annual members like myself, the add-on sale is currently open. You have a few days to shop the sale, so make sure you get your selections in. And as I always say, these items come and go on the website, so people will put things back, will add different things to their cart during the sale window. So definitely keep checking back, because if you have your heart set on some things, sometimes they become available later on in your sale window. So if you're actually interested in what I customize my box with, definitely check out my next video upload, because in that video I will do my usual customize with me video, And as you guys know, customization window is currently open as well for annual members. I think this season's customization options are stellar, and I have some really great selections that I'm excited to share with you guys and let you know what I currently have in my cart for the customization options. And of course, if you want to see everything I actually pick up in terms of add-ons and the customization products, definitely stay tuned for my future huge unboxing video that I do every season, and I'll share all the up-close details with you guys. Also, as a little side note, if you're curious about my little travels here, I don't do huge vlogs for my travels because it's just honestly really a lot of work to upload those videos, but I have a lot of fun videos. I have some unboxing videos. We went on a Disney cruise as part of this big European vacation, so I will share with you guys a little bit in some videos there too. So definitely check out my other videos that I'm going to upload, and consider hitting that subscribe button if you want to hear fun things like unboxing videos and travel content as well. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.